What is the best HIV treatment to start with? Hello, this is Mark Medicals. Here is an answer to your question which goes, what is the best HIV treatment to start with? Alright. The drugs used in the treatment of HIV are called antiretroviral drugs, also known as ARVs. Any HIV treatment regimen is made up of 3 or more drugs usually combined together into a daily pill. Though we have many drugs which can be combined in many different ways, what is recommended today is any dolutegravir-based regimens. Please, Mark Medicals reminds you that old-school efavirenz-based combinations have the worst side effects, so you may need to ask your healthcare provider to switch or start you on new dolutegravir-based regimens, also known as TLD. Guys, ask your doctor to simply switch you from TLE to TLD. Okay. In other news, hope you guys are aware that we have a new injectable HIV treatment on the market called Cabenova. This is a 1 to 2 monthly injection, and what is more interesting is that scientists are currently testing a 6 monthly HIV treatment injection. Okay. If you found this video useful, kindly support us by hitting that subscribe button. It will cost you $0 to subscribe, but will help the growth of this channel. Until then, nice time.